Good morning, children. As we all know that 15th August, our Independence Day is knocking at the door. And we all are aware of the fact that this year country celebrates its 75th Independence Day. You may want to visit the places where history was made. I assure you that a visit will definitely make you feel patriotic and remind you of the struggles we braved to achieve independence. Here are 10 places that you need to visit.
We will start our journey from Jhansi Fort, which is located in Jhansi. This is one of the most important historical sites of freedom movement. This fort is famous as Rani Jhansi Ka Kila. It is centuries old and an iconic symbol of the first independence war with Rani Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jhansi. This spectacular fort is spread over 20 hectares and it has 10 gates. The Jallianwala Bagh Martyrs Memory in Amritsar was the site where 380 non-violent protesters were fired upon by British troops on April 13, 1919. A visit to this site is sure to stir your patriotic emotions. Barakpur. Barakpur is located in West Bengal. It was from this site that the rebellion of 1857 started and Sipahi Mangal Pandey declared war against his commanders. At Barakpur, you can visit the Mangal Pandey Park and Gandhi Museum. Cellular Jail. Cellular Jail is located in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Port Blair's Cellular Jail is a colonial prison where freedom fighters and dissidents were jailed, and there is a museum on the site where you can learn about the freedom struggles as well. Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram located on the banks of the river Sabarmati in Gujarat. This ashram was the starting point for several movements in the freedom struggle. The ashram was one of the residents of the Mahatma and he lived there for 12 years. Kakuri. This place in Uttar Pradesh is remembered for the Kakuri conspiracy on August 9, 1925. Revolutionaries looted a train carrying money bags that belonged to the British Treasury. Aga Khan Palace. It is located in Maharashtra. The palace has a photo gallery and museum with significant images of the freedom struggle movement as well as a few personal items used by Gandhiji while he stayed here. Red Fort. It is located in Delhi. The majestic Red Fort in Delhi is the site where Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru delivered the first Independence Day speech in 1947. Let us move back and have a look to the first Independence Day. Nehruji gave the first speech in independent India holding the national flag. The streets were crowded with Indians who cherished the long awaited freedom. And then the British flag was lowered and the Indian flag hoisted high. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru raised the Indian national flag above Lohri Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. India Gate. India Gate is located in Delhi. This is the site of the historic Amar Jawan Jyoti that burns to commemorate the sacrifices of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country. Bagha border. It is in Punjab. You need to visit the Bagha border if only to be fired by the beating retreat ceremony where a parade is held and an infantryman from each side of the border opens the gates, lowers their respective flag, shakes the other infantryman's hand and closes the gates. It has been held since 1959. We honor our great freedom fighters in the national celebration of Independence Day. We will remember all the struggles and sacrifices which our ancestors did for the country India. Jai Hind.